I'm Mark Niemeyer, one of the founding partners of the firm with Dave Grable and Michael Cruz. So I started out as a prosecutor. I was a prosecutor right here in St. Louis City, and then I moved to the United States Attorney's Office, where I also prosecuted corporations for fraud, for regulatory violations, for all that sort of thing. And I saw, kind of some of the good that could be done there. But while doing that, I saw that even though the corporation might have been penalized, sometimes it might have just been a slap on the wrist, what wasn't happening in that setting was the victims of a product, those that were injured by a drug, device, some other kind of product, they weren't getting compensated out of what work the government was doing. What I saw is, hey, what I really want to do is work on behalf of the victims, right? On behalf of the injured. They've been injured, we can't change that, but what we can do is compensate them for the injuries that the corporation caused, and we can compensate them for what they might have to deal with in the future. My prosecution background coalesced with my desire to help injured people, and now we're able to do that in that setting. So that's kind of the path that I took and how I ended up here. My role is one of not only representing individual clients, but I also handle a lot of national, what are called mass tort or multi-district litigation cases, where I serve as somebody on leadership that coordinates and litigates these mass tort actions that involve thousands of plaintiffs from across the country. I'm able to have that individual relationship with clients who are harmed by a particular drug or device, but then I'm also able to work with really a fantastic team of lawyers across the country that do the same things that we do, work alongside them as a team as we go ahead and expose, frankly, what's been done in the pharmaceutical industry or the pesticide industry, bring that to light, and then have a judge, a jury, determine the level of compensation needed for the clients across the country and pay our clients and the national clients proper compensation.